yeah. And found another siren. Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I have another unboxing video to show you of another siren. So let's get to it. Now, this will be challenging because I'm only holding my phone with one hand. This is a hand crank siren that came from India and was used back in World War II. Oh, here we go. That's like this is very nice. All nice. Okay, so. Damn. This is a challenging thing to open. Otherwise, it's my thing. Watch that off. This is trying to open. Damn. Damn. Holy heck. Sorry about that. I ran out of storage, so I had to uninstall Facebook. Now I should have 17 minutes freed up. Okay, so yeah, I didn't realize the video had stopped. My bad. I'm sorry about that. That means you missed all the part where I had my phone between my legs without, unfortunately, realizing. Alright, so I think my siren is in this thing. Hold on, I have to pause the video for just a second. Okay, here we go. So I think it's definitely like this interesting looking thing. I don't know. Oh no, we all my thing. Just one little. I think it's something I do. Okay. Let it stand. Really big packages. Wow. Seriously, wow. There we go. You can't see it now. I don't know how to do this. Wow. This is crazy. I know everything. This is probably the most fascinating video I've made on the market. Holy heck. Wow. I'm not sure about that. Okay. Yeah, no, yeah, this is. Seriously, I bought it again, by the way. I think it's all over the speaker. The hardware is fairly cheap. Not bad. Wow. Okay. Almost. Wow. This is a very good siren, so yeah. I just get out here. Somehow. Wow. Oh, God. Oh, is that handle? Oh. Okay. Tell me, shit. This is the most challenging package that I think I've ever done. The most challenging. I mean, actually, this is the next. What is going on? I swear, it's everything. So close. So close. You feel it. Wow. The actual head. Yeah, I was about that being handled. This. Finally. Oh, damn. Okay, so we have lots of money. That's fine. Alright, there. Alright, I'm gonna put this handle on real quick. Be right back. Okay. Nice. Okay, I'm on the right track here with putting it back together. So now I'm using this tool to tighten it. It's a multi-tool, of course. Just like this, until it's on there nice and tight. So right now it's still loose. But I've low-key never done this. I actually feel like I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm impressed I got this far. I want it to be in the same area as that outline there. Oh yeah, there we go. Now it's in place. That's the good news. I think it's tighter. I have to do it a little bit more tighter than that. I think it's on there pretty freaking tight. All right. So how's this? Oh, no, it's up here. So. Okay. Holy hell. This thing's actually not. Wow. I could bolt this to a table or something, but yeah, that kind of works, I guess. Did I not put it on all the way? I don't know if I tightened this enough. Or maybe I did. I don't know. I might have to tighten this up a bit more later. Wow. That's perfect. You know how many times that I see people in the comment section like, where do you find all this stuff? You just have to know how to look. I found this on eBay and there's like maybe 12 more of these. Not nearly as good condition as this one though. I looked at all of the listings, like hardly any of them had such a smooth coast down like that. Because it's so old. Oh, fuck. I have to somehow pull it out. Should have known not to do that. That's going to be a bit of a problem. Oh, okay. That is my that's my India military ship / cargo ship vintage Siren from the World War II era. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, rate, and leave comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. 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 Bye.